She's so cute. You know, I don't know why you Americans are always blaming this type of stuff on us.
Well, I'm just making a video to see the different perspectives on what people think about the blood rain. I'm not blaming anybody. Blame who?
Blame who? Blaming the Communist Party. That's who you're blaming, you know? You believe whatever your government or your media is telling you. And they always say it's Yeltsin. They want to blame. They want to blame, you know? That's what they want. If the Russians wanted to do something, they could, and they could do it so much better than this food coloring you have in your rain.
Well, I'm not from TV, so I'm not.
Not from TV. Not from TV. You always have the same agenda. Always. You with your cameras and people's faces. You know, I believe, first of all, I believe it's capitalist nonsense. And second, you know what I believe? If you wanted to blame somebody, you should be blaming yourselves. You don't take care of your environment, and you don't take care of your land. It's ignorance. That's what I believe. And it's a shame.
Did the rain touch you?
Yeah.
Did it get in your eyes?
No. Ew.
All right, don't ever let it get in your eyes. It's ever. Not just that. It's not blood. It's not blood. It's rain, but it's not blood. It's chemicals, and it's not new. It's been happening since the '60s. It's been happening since Johnson. That's why they had JFK killed so Johnson could come in and start this mind control, and they're using chemtrails. That's how it started. It was JFK and MLK, the KKK. Don't you see?
Yeah.
So it's chemtrails, and they're there every day. They're going over, and every time you see a plane, right behind the plane, there are those trails, and that's coming all down on us. And I've looked at the routes. There shouldn't be any planes here. There shouldn't be any planes here. If you're going from New York to Baltimore, if you're going from New York to Dallas, it shouldn't be going over here. I've checked, and I look, and every day it's there. They're just going back and forth and back and forth, raining it on us. Why are you asking me these questions?
I'm just making a video.
Who sent you?
Nobody. Nobody sent.
No more questions. No more questions. No more questions.
Everyone's so stupid. We knew this was gonna happen.
We didn't just know it would happen. We've been summoning it.
That's what I meant.
Well, that's not what you said. This is why you're the fucking bass player of the band.
Anyway.
Okay, you want me to explain?
No, I'll explain. Okay, so, in the Librium of the 9th Ritual of Baal, it is known that blood rain is a blessing. But these conformists just can't seem to understand that. It's a symbol. It's a symbol from Satan that things are going to get better.
Yep.
Could you film me do a trick for a video?
Yeah.
That was terrible. Alright. hold on, I gotta. Yeah, man. So we're over at Overlook. I was with a group of people, my friend Jared, Emmanuel, and Elliot. So we were seshing over at Overlook. That's like a mile south of Uncle Wigglies in Towson. I don't know if you know where that is.
Mm-hmm.
But anyways, we were seshing and I looked up at the clouds and they were just giant, gnarly, blood red clouds. And then we're like, oh, should we leave? And I was like, no, let's just wait because it might not rain. And we wanted to finish the sesh. But anyways, it started pouring this like blood rain. My friend Emmanuel was wearing this like bright white t-shirt and it was soaked completely red. So then we just like booked it up the hill to the overhang and chilled there. That's pretty much it.
So, what do you think happened?
Well, I mean, the media likes to exaggerate shit a lot. I heard back in the 70s it was raining fucking frogs. Like, I heard it was just a wind current, you know?
Yeah, do you think it was blood?
What just happened?
Yeah.
Who cares? I mean, it might be blood. I think it could be, but everyone's safe, right? You just gotta roll with it. It's all good.
Ready? Be aggressive. Be aggressive. Be aggressive. Be aggressive. BEAGGRESSIVE. Ugh, people are being so ridiculous right now. Like, this whole blood rain thing, like, are you serious? Like, please relax. Like, okay, I know this is like TMI, but one Friday night at the football game, I was a base, Brittany was a flyer, and Brittany was riding the Crimson Wave. And you know what? She forgot to put a tampon in, and there was blood rain all over my head. It was disgusting, but you know what? I got over it, and that's why I think everyone is seriously being ridiculous about this whole thing. Like, can you please relax? Like, there's like way, oh my god, I know him. Anyways, there's like way bigger problems happening right now, like the ozone layer. Like, when did we stop caring about that? Like, come on, relax. Is done.
Good afternoon. First, by way of introduction, I am Father Raymond, blessed to be in my 5th year of service to the faithful at Sacred Heart University. And I greatly appreciate your inviting me to share my perspective on the phenomenon to which everyone is referring as the blood rain. I think the most important consideration that must be given to this is the time of year in which it occurred in our calendar, one of the holiest time of year, Easter, when we are expected to reflect upon Jesus' sacrifice for us, his death and resurrection. And blood is crucial as a symbol and as a reality in that, in our Catholic Mass, the transubstantiation by the consecration of wine actually transforms wine into Jesus' blood, again as a reminder of the sacrifice that he made for all mankind. I think what's most important is not to consider it as a plague. It's not a plague. It wasn't a plague. The first plague of Israel was blood, but it was the river Nile that was transformed into blood. And the difference is important because rain is replenishing. Rain is necessary to all life. And I think that in a way this is a message from God that we need to be mindful of Jesus' sacrifice for us at this time and throughout the year. I doubt this will ever occur again, but we'll certainly remember it always. And if it serves as a constant reminder of that sacrifice, then it's a message from God that should be heeded.
Staring out the window, she's calmly waiting, confiding, silently, searching the skies if for signs. She's waiting on someone. Is it the sun? Is it the sun?